Asuntoskyhtiö Porvoonkatu 23 in Kallio. Our out behind Helsinki staircase C. 1968-8708 staircase C, and we are better because they have 8 floors, and then 24 elevators with 8 floors or more are in Finland. Sixth floor. Three purses are 240 kilograms. This elevator is bad condition for some reason. Staircase A and B are in better condition. Ground floor. Three purses are 240 kilograms. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone. I found these elevators in 2014, but I didn't get them filmed because I had some memory problems. Sixth floor. Yesterday I got this filmed, and now I got to see also. This building is locked off. Time to get inside all staircases. Ground floor. Sixth floor. Ground floor. That's